In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a character before a number in Google Sheets, even though Google Sheets doesn't offer built-in special character insertion. Whether you're trying to add symbols, shapes, or quick indicators to make your sheet clearer, or you simply want a clean, visual way to mark your data, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Doc. Yes, a Google Doc, not Google Sheets. That's because Google Sheets doesn't support inserting special characters directly, but Google Docs does. Once your Google Doc is open, click Insert, then choose Special Characters. A dialog box will appear with tons of options. Next, make sure the category is set to Symbol, then open the second drop-down and choose Geometric Shapes. You'll see circles, squares, arrows, and plenty of other shapes you can use as markers. Click the symbol you want. A single click is enough, and it will appear inside your document. Highlight it, copy it, and now it's saved to your clipboard. Now head back to your Google Sheet. Right-click the cell where you want the symbol to appear before your number, choose Paste, and the character will drop right in. You can even place it before a number simply by typing your number after the symbol. Google Sheets treats it like regular text, so it fits perfectly. To style it, click the text color icon and choose any color you like. Want it red? Blue? Green? No problem. Just remember that the bucket icon is for background color, the letter icon is what changes the text itself. Once you've done that, the symbol is fully usable inside Google Sheets, and you can reuse it anywhere. Just copy and paste it into other cells, or even store it in a reference cell if you want quick access later. This little workaround gives you full control, even without built-in special character support. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to add characters before numbers in Google Sheets quickly, cleanly, and without needing any special fonts or plugins. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, feel free to share it with someone else who might be trying to do the same thing. Why not make their day easier?